way then.
The following day, December 8, 1941, President Franklin Delano Roosevelt announced our entry into World War II with these words to Congress, the citizens of the United States, and the world.
Yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy. The United States of America was suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan. It will be reported that the distance of Hawaii from Japan makes...
In Tokyo Bay was our battleship, the West Virginia. Would you please bow your head and join me in a moment of silence in memory of all of those who lost their lives that infamous day. The men and women here at Joint Base San Antonio fighting for our freedom today. We salute them all, past and present. Tora! 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 Well, how'd you like that? The Wall of Fire, presented by the Tora Bomb Squad, led by Ben West and from Madison, Wisconsin. From the Woodlands, Texas, followed by 0114, second generation pilot, Dan Reedy, Pearland, Texas. 0111, second generation, Patrick Hutchins, Bayou Vista, Texas. 0113, flown by Mike Anderson of Muskogee, Oklahoma. Followed by our K-313, flown by Lance Summers of Midland, Texas, and Chad Tuman of Pearland, Texas. Our K-356 up high, Trevor Henson of Kansas City, Missouri, and Jeff Shetterly of Overland Park, Kansas. Ron Wright is on our 0112 with 35 years of flying for Tora. He's from Huntsville, Texas.
The Great Texas Airshow 2024. Anything that's on the ground around you, I need your help. Please pick it up, get it into a crash receptacle close to you. We've got them all over the area. We need your help. It really is a safety issue. Those things can blow out into the performance area, cause damage to our aircraft, and more importantly, harm our aviators. Thank you for being part of our safety team. Thank you for picking up that crash. Also, we have a final safety program here. We want you to help us with that too.
performing the inverted to inverted pass.
The Pitts S2S is capable of jaw-dropping aerobatics. And let's face it, have you really been to an air show if you have not seen a biplane doing aerobatics? We're gonna check that box right now as Stephen Covington hangs it off the prop. He's gonna slide it back down through his own smoke for the tail slide. And looking down on the show line, that boom you hear is the mighty Slayer. The